Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back with me. And before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today, I want to read the news of cryptocurrency. So the title is Mercado Libre to expand cryptocurrency service to more countries in LATAM. Mercado Libre, one of the biggest retailers in LATAM, has announced that it plans to expand its cryptocurrency trading service to more countries in the region. The company was cryptocurrency services are now just available for customers in Brazil through Mercado Pago. Its payments and digital wallet already has more than 1 million customers using this service. Mercado Libre to expand crypto offering in LATAM. More companies are extending their service to include cryptocurrency in LATAM. Mercado Libre, one of the biggest LATAM region retailers, has planned to expand its cryptocurrency service to include more countries in the zone. Osvaldo Gimenez, head of Mercado Pago, Mercado Libre's digital payments and wallet service, informed LPIs about these plans. He declared, "We are going to be expanding in the region the possibility of buying, selling, and having cryptocurrencies in your account. It works with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and with stable currency that reflect the value of the dollar." The company, which first launched this service in Brazil, managed and to enroll 1 million customers in these alternative investment options during the first 2 months of their implementation. The service used USDP, a stablecoin backed by Paxos, a New York-based financial service company, as its only dollar-based stablecoin. However, Gimenez did not specify a timeline for the announced expansion, nor which countries would be included in this expansion phase. The importance of crypto, due to the current state of the regional economy, many LATAM countries suffering from high inflation and devaluation, like Argentina, turning to crypto and stablecoin as way maintaining their buying power. Gimenez talk about the importance of this instrument on the platform that Mercado Pago over his state. Mercado Libre face competition from a series of companies. Crypto trading to customers in other countries of LATAM. Offering to all of its customers in LATAM, estimate to be around 54 million. Traditional banks are also starting to get into crypto service. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.